Hi, I'm Kathy, and I'm the mother of 4 children. 3 things in my life that keep me youthful are my kids, number 1. Actually, number 2 and number 3. My kids, when I look at them and I just see the amount of energy that they have, it definitely makes me glow. I always thought that the wrinkles were the sign of getting older, but a few years ago I noticed my cheeks were starting to sag. They used to be full and lifted, and now they're sagging. What interested me the most in JUVÉDERM VOLUMA XC was the idea of adding fullness to my cheeks. I'm so happy with the results. The reason I decided to do something about my aging cheeks was when I looked in the mirror, it just didn't match the way I felt. I felt much younger than I looked. I think my biggest fear of the Voluma treatment was the results looking natural. I didn't want to look fake or plasticky. After the Voluma treatment, the results are pretty dramatic. My cheeks look much fuller, but really natural. I would definitely consider using Voluma again.
JUVÉDERM XC, JUVÉDERM Ultra XC, and JUVÉDERM Voluma XC important safety information. Approved uses. JUVÉDERM XC injectable gel is for injection into the facial tissue for the correction of moderate to severe facial wrinkles and folds, such as nasolabial folds. JUVÉDERM Ultra XC is for injection into the lips and perioral area for lip augmentation in adults over 21. JUVÉDERM Voluma XC injectable gel is for deep injection in the cheek area to correct age-related volume loss in adults over 21. Important safety information. Are there any reasons why I should not receive any JUVÉDERM injectable gel formulation? Do not use these products if you have a history of multiple severe allergies or severe allergic reactions, anaphylaxis, or if you are allergic to lidocaine or the gram-positive bacterial proteins used in these products. What precautions should my doctor advise me about? Tell your doctor if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. The safety of these products for use during pregnancy or while breastfeeding has not been studied. The safety of JUVÉDERM XC and JUVÉDERM Ultra XC injectable gels in patients under 18 years and the safety of JUVÉDERM Voluma XC in patients under 35 years or over 65 years has not been studied. The safety and effectiveness of JUVÉDERM XC for areas other than facial wrinkles and folds and JUVÉDERM Ultra XC for areas other than the lips and perioral area for lip augmentation or facial wrinkles and folds have not been established in clinical studies. The safety and effectiveness of JUVÉDERM Voluma XC in areas other than the cheek area have not been established in clinical studies. Tell your doctor if you have a history of excessive scarring, hypertrophic scarring and keloid formations, or pigmentation disorders, as use of these products may result in additional scars or changes in pigmentation. Tell your doctor if you are planning other laser treatments or a chemical peel, as there is a possible risk of inflammation at the treatment site if these procedures are performed after treatment. Patients who experience skin injury near the site of injection with these products may be at a higher risk for side effects. Tell your doctor if you are on immunosuppressive therapy used to decrease the body's immune response, as use of these products may result in an increased risk of infection. Tell your doctor if you are using medications that can prolong bleeding, such as aspirin, ibuprofen, or other blood thinners, as this may result in increased bruising or bleeding at the injection site. Minimize strenuous exercise, exposure to extensive sun or heat, and alcoholic beverages within the first 24 hours following treatment. What are possible side effects? The most common side effects include tenderness, swelling, firmness, lumps, bumps, bruising, pain, redness, discoloration, and itching. With JUVÉDERM XC and JUVÉDERM Ultra XC injectable gels, most side effects are mild or moderate and last 14 days or less. For JUVÉDERM Voluma XC, side effects are moderate, uncomfortable, and last 2 to 4 weeks. One of the risks with using this product is unintentional injection into a blood vessel, and while rare, the complications can be serious and may be permanent. These complications, which have been reported for facial injections, can include vision abnormalities, blindness, stroke, temporary scabs, or permanent scarring. As with all skin injection procedures, there is a risk of infection. To report a side effect with JUVÉDERM XC, JUVÉDERM Ultra XC, or JUVÉDERM Voluma XC, please call Allergan Product Surveillance at 1-800-624-4261. For more information, please see juvederm.com or call Allergan Medical Information at 1-800-433-8871. Available by prescription only.